And welcome, I'm Solo, and this is ZN Gaming. In this video, I'll be going over Stream Elements, mod settings, and the super mod settings. What is the difference anyways? Before I waste any more time, let's jump into it. To get started, yes, Twitch mod settings and Stream Elements mod settings are very different. But if you already have Stream Elements, when you happen to make somebody a mod, so if you've already made a couple people a mod, and if you've already had Stream Elements on your channel, it should make them mod automatically. So anybody that you have modded in your channel is going to be a mod in Stream Element settings also. The only difference is the difference between the settings, between the mod settings inside Twitch and the mod settings inside of Stream Elements, which are going to be very drastically different. Besides just the ban and timeout settings, which will be done primarily by the Twitch mod settings. So keeping that in mind, we're going to go over a couple of things that you're definitely going to need to know. If you have Stream Elements, there's a couple of settings in here that only super mods can do. We're going to go over those settings mostly. We're going to focus on those settings exactly because those are the ones that you might need to change later on. The first thing that we're going to need to do is we're going to jump over to streamelements.com. We're going to go over and log in with our Twitch. Yes, make sure to log in with your Twitch. This is going to make the process a lot less complicated. Now when it first loads up, it's going to just show your dashboard. For us, we want to go down here to the chat bot part, and there's going to be a spot called user management. Now we could just click on here to bring up all of the people that are mod or super mod. This is just going to be where you change it for the people. So if you have somebody that's a mod and you want to make them a super mod, you have to do it in here. You can just add the new bot user and then just type in their name. Once you type in their name, you can choose the bot level. In here is very important. For a super mod, you're going to need to use the 1000, not 500, the 1000. This is going to unlock a few other things. Like I said, if you have somebody that's going to manage a lot of the modding on your channel and do most of the modding, you definitely want them to be a super mod. And this is how you would do it. You can change them from a mod to a super mod, or just have them as a regular person. The regular person is pretty much just changing somebody from a mod to something back to a normal member, or I don't know what else to call a viewer. The VIP is 400, the 500 is moderator. So keeping that in mind, now that you know how to change it, if you have a mod and need to give them access to do the super mod things, just make sure that you add them in here. Don't update them. You can remove it and then just add them as a super mod. But if you just add them in here and click this as a super mod, it should automatically update. Now that being said, what can the super mod do that a normal mod can't? So let's just jump over here to the commands. Now these are the default commands, and at the very bottom we're going to have a list of super mod commands. Now why these are important is it has things like add points, mute the bot, outputs things in chat, changes levels, the volume. It can enable and disable some of the modules. It can nuke things. It can nuke user. And there's a few other things. You can turn them on and off. I definitely don't suggest messing with them. The ones that are on by default, just leave them unless you actually have an issue with it. But it's the set game and set points, set title. So these three here at the bottom are ones that constantly a streamer is going to ask a mod, can you update my title? Can you update my stats? And this is how you're going to be able to do it. Now you can make somebody a super mod so that just they can do it. But if you want all of your mods to do it, this is going to be a little bit of an issue. But for us to fix this here issue that we're having, and we want this here set game, set points, and set title to be done by any of the mods. It's super easy. Once you're in here and you're checking it out in the commands, in the default commands, and you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can just click on these. They have a little arrow over here. Click on them, and it's going to have a user level. This is where you're going to be able to change these to a mod, broadcaster, a VIP, a regular, subscriber, or just everyone. So for me, we're just going to make it a moderator so that a normal mod can come in and set the game for me, and then just accept all and save. Oh, that was cookies. All you're gonna need to do is save. Once it's saved, it's gonna move up here into the normal bot commands because it's no longer a super bot command. So if you only want one of your mods to do it, leave it as a super mod command. And if you want all of your mods to do it, change it in here so that it will just be a normal mod command by just changing the user level. And again, just go to the one that you want, like a set title, give it a click, go down here, change it from a super mod to a mod, or you can let your VIPs do it as well. That is something that you can also do. I suggest leaving it as mods though, and then click save. Now you can do that for any of these ones here in the super mod. So if you're only ever going to use a mod and you're never going to change super mod ever, and you want to use some of these, this is the way to fix it. You just change it here and change it to a mod and click save. Now if you forget what ones a super mod used to be able to do, this is going to be another thing that you might want to write them down or just maybe take a screenshot of which ones are there, because once you change them, there is no set back to default command or settings. So that's gonna be a little bit of a problem you might have to contact support for. So definitely take note to the ones that you change, and I definitely suggest leaving them on. Don't turn them off. There's a couple in here that's like !command. This one here, right here. Don't ever turn this off, or none of your mods can ever add commands for you or help you in many ways that they should be able to. They just won't be able to. But if that's an issue, and this here command, you don't want just anyone adding commands, it's the same thing. You can make this so that only a super mod can do this. So you can make that 1 or 2 people a super mod in your channel, and then change the commands so that they can do it, so that you can actually have your mod correctly or easily mod your channel with the commands that they need. But that's really all there is to it for the Stream Elements commands. You can go through, and any of the ones in here that you don't want a normal mod using, you can change them to super mod. But I actually suggest, if you're not going to use super mods and have a couple of people set up as super mod that can do those things for you, I actually suggest going down to the super mod commands and changing the ones that you might want one of your mods to do, like fixing points or changing modules. Now these here modules, the enable and disable, are the modules that you find in here. This is like your announcements, your chat alerts, your roulette, and things like that. You can have a mod or a super mod turn these here on and off as you want. So if you want to stop people from gambling, you can have it turned off by a mod by just using like the turn off the module. So again, that just makes it super easy to have access to it. So the module one is, again, one I would leave in the super mod. I wouldn't let any mod do that. That's probably not one that you should let just anybody have access to. But for how to change it and how to set it up, this is very easy. Most people only ever want to go through this here one time, so I definitely suggest, if you want somebody to change your title, set game, or set points for your viewer, I definitely suggest setting those up into where a mod can do that for you. Now, as long as you don't have an abusive mod, this should be no problem at all anyways. This actually doesn't affect anything except for artificial points anyways, and if people are really hurt, you can give them and take them back as the owner, as you see fit. I actually don't make people mod that I wouldn't trust with this anyways, so that shouldn't be a problem. But that's it for this one here. After that's done, all you have to do is just make sure that you hit the save and get your mod to test it out to make sure that they have no problem using the command. But that's it for this one here. If you think I forgot or left something out, definitely leave it in the comments below. And if you like or found the video helpful, hit the thumbs up and get subscribed for more content. Thanks for watching. Bye!